The world is entering the artificial intelligence era. AI is transforming every system on Earth. Computing, healthcare, finance, robotics, and national security. But behind every AI model, every data center, and every intelligent machine, there is one critical component: the semiconductor chip. Without chips, AI cannot exist. But there is something even more important: the machines that manufacture those chips. Today, one company sits at the center of that system. A company that controls the most advanced chip manufacturing technology on Earth. That company is ASML Holding. Artificial intelligence requires enormous computing power. Training advanced AI models requires billions of calculations per second. That computing power depends on advanced semiconductor chips produced by companies such as TSMC, Samsung Electronics, and Intel. These companies manufacture the world's most advanced chips. But there is one critical step in the process: lithography. Lithography is the technology that prints microscopic circuits onto silicon wafers. Without lithography machines, chips cannot be manufactured. And the most advanced chips require the most advanced lithography. The most advanced chips require a technology called extreme ultraviolet lithography, known as EUV. This technology uses extremely short wavelengths of light to print circuits just a few nanometers wide. That scale is smaller than many viruses. These machines enable the production of 5 nanometer, 3 nanometer, and future 2 nanometer chips. Those chips power modern AI systems, data centers, smartphones, and autonomous vehicles. There is one critical fact: only one company in the world manufactures EUV lithography machines. That company is ASML Holding. ASML holds essentially 100% market share in EUV lithography, making it the only supplier of the machines required to produce the world's most advanced chips. An EUV lithography machine is one of the most complex machines ever built. Each system contains more than 100,000 components and requires a global supply chain of specialized manufacturers. Each machine can cost more than $350 to $400 million. Production takes over a year. And only about 40 to 50 EUV machines are produced annually worldwide. These machines are essential to producing the chips that power artificial intelligence. Without them, the most advanced chips cannot be manufactured. Today, the global semiconductor industry depends on a small number of companies. Chip designers such as Nvidia design advanced processors. Manufacturers such as TSMC, Samsung, and Intel produce those chips. But the machines required to produce those chips come from one place: ASML. This makes ASML a critical choke point in the global technology supply chain. Advanced AI chips require EUV technology. EUV technology requires ASML. Without ASML, the most advanced chips cannot be produced. The global artificial intelligence boom is increasing demand for advanced chips. Major semiconductor manufacturers are investing tens of billions of dollars into new fabrication facilities. For example, TSMC announced capital spending exceeding $50 billion for advanced manufacturing capacity. Much of this investment is directed toward technology that requires EUV lithography. As a result, demand for ASML machines continues to grow. The company reported record order bookings and a backlog covering years of future production. This reflects the expansion of global AI infrastructure. Replicating ASML technology is extremely difficult. The company has invested decades in research and development. Its machines rely on a global network of specialized suppliers and proprietary components. These include advanced optics, precision mirrors, high-power lasers, and atomic-scale engineering. Because of this complexity, no other company has successfully developed competing EUV systems. Even major economies are attempting to build alternatives. But replicating this technology could take many years. Top profit investors focus on the infrastructure behind major technological transformations. Artificial intelligence requires computing power. Computing power requires advanced semiconductor chips. Advanced semiconductor chips require EUV lithography. EUV lithography requires ASML. Understanding the infrastructure behind global technological systems allows investors to identify the companies that drive long-term change. Understanding the global technology system requires continuous learning. The semiconductor industry evolves rapidly. Artificial intelligence is accelerating that evolution. Action steps. Study the companies that build global infrastructure. Follow the semiconductor supply chain. Understand how AI hardware is produced. And remain consistent in learning about the technologies shaping the future economy. Because the investors who understand the system often recognize opportunities earlier than the market.